my god, guys, I just broke my lighter. It just smells like burning, just like that. And it didn't work, and when it just like that, nothing. But today I'll be show you how I repaired this circle. Just see this, just turn off the circle for 10 seconds or 20 seconds. "20 seconds later." Okay, just wait the 20 seconds and let's turn on Tilbage marker. It didn't work. But tell me in comments how I repaired this, yeah?